Welcome to all of you. Now this is the summary video related to industrial engineering. So let us consider unit number 1, definition of industrial engineering, concept, objectives, then productivity, and what is the factors to be affected on the productivity, improvements in the productivity, work study, objective of work study. Then under work study, two types are there, that is the method study and work measurements. Then scope of work study, then method study, objective of method study, scope of method study, motion study, micro motion study, and standard times calculations. So these are the related to work study. After that, ergonomics, different types of controls, accidents and causes of accidents and remedies. So all these things related to sections number 1. Now the next sections, the little bit part of work study is there, that is the work measurements, calculation of standard times, different types of allowances, then performance rating, observed times, basic or normal times, and after that site selection part is there. The factor to be considered while selecting sites, urban and rural area, different types of tangibles and intangible factors affect while selection of the sites. Then next or the last part is there, job evaluation and merit rating, difference between these and material handling equipments. So all these points need to be considered in this subject. So here industrial engineering, two scientists has given great informations related to industrial engineering, that is F.B. Gilbert and F.W. Taylor. So here method study and our motion study, this is a very important. Now while studying the motion study, you need to remember the workplace stations and motions, different types of charts, then different types of paths movements, then Thurbling's parts. So these things it is useful while the work measurements. Now one more part is there from the industrial point of view, that is the types of layouts. There are 4 types of layout, that is the product layouts, that is called line layout, process layout, then fixed position, and cellulars or group technology layouts. Example as usual, the fixed type of layout normally used in shipbuildings where the material handling is difficulty. Group layout means grouping the number of equipments or machinery, for example heat treatments. Process layout, depends upon the process, you have to lay out the machines, for example drilling operation, drilling machines, lathe operation, lathe machine, shaping, like this way. Product layout, so here product layouts, all these processing parts should be in one line, that is also called line layout. So in short, this industrial engineering, it is the concept normally used for improvement in the production and productivity, reduce the cost, optimum use of all the resources, at the same times improvement in the existing methods and find out the new methods, reduce the fatigues, then economical things, realistic rating, wages systems, and deciding incentive, bonus, motivations parts. So all this object, it is common to all. So this video, it is related to summary of industrial engineering. Once again, sir, I will repeat, Unit number 1, industrial engineering definitions, then concept, objective, productivity, factors affecting of productivity, then factor to be considered to improve the productivity, then work study, their objectives, then comes to next part, that is the method study. The objective of method study, different types of charts should be there, that is the process charts, flow process charts, then string diagrams, template and models, all these parts will be there. Then chapter number 3, ergonomics. Over here we have to consider the control, different types of control and display, then the accident, causes of accidents and remedies of that, and different types of act, labor law is there as per ILO norms, then insurance facility as per the state and central government, it will be in this ergonomics. Then chapter number 4, that is work measurements, time study parts will be there. Different types of watches has been used for time study, then standard times calculation, performance rating, different types of allowances, and after that the micromotions parts will be there, and in micromotion thermalings and the PMT chart should be there. At the same time there should be work samplings for mass production purpose. Now chapter number 5, that site selection, tangible, intangible factors, urban and rural area site selection, then types of layout, 4 types of layout should be there, and last one is that is job evaluation and merit rating. So these are the summary part of industrial engineering related to our coming exam. The common things you have to remember: common objectives, common benefits, types of industry, examples, difference. So all this it is given in additional study material. You have to learn from that additional study materials. And at the same time I have given the 55 multiple choice of questions, and some question it has been given in the assignment booklets. You can refer that also, these multiple choice questions. Also some descriptive question, important questions to be asked in exams, 20 question already it has given. At the same time each unit videos, 3 to 4 videos are there, important questions are there. Just go through this and study as per the requirements, and as possible as you have to note down all the short times related to all the work study, and additional things also I have given in the assignments and my notes. So please refer this. So this is the last video lectures for you. Thank you from my side. Thank you.